Introducing the three-man squad, the Pulse AI series, the Crosshair HX series, and the Sword HX series. They have powerful performance, astonishing outlook, next-era AI solutions, and many more to explore. Haven't decided which one to accompany you on the battlefield? Come and have a look with me and analyze the difference between them. The three-man squad is designed for gamers who are pursuing for medium to high-end gaming experience. The Sword HX series has set the bar for gaming. But if you wish to achieve a next-level gaming experience, you should try out the full-power GPU on the Crosshair HX series and Pulse AI series. The name of the AI also reveals that the Pulse is specialized in AI-driven tasks because of the Core Ultra CPU with built-in NPU, allowing for you to work smarter and more intelligent. The HX for the Crosshair shows that it is more powerful in performance because of its 14th gen Intel Core HX processors. But most importantly, all three laptops promise you an outstanding gaming experience. After viewing the whole picture, haven't you decided yet? Let's dive in for more detailed specifications. The Pulse AI series is equipped with the latest Intel Core Ultra 9 processor, 185H, with built-in NPU. And the Crosshair HX series and Sword HX series come with the latest Intel Core i7 processor, 14700HX. The Crosshair HX series and the Sword HX series have one NVMe PCIe Gen 4 plus one NVMe PCIe Gen 5 SSD, and the Pulse AI series has two NVMe PCIe Gen 4 SSDs. The Sword series is a little lighter than the Pulse AI series and Crosshair HX series. All three laptops are equipped with an outstanding QHD+ 240Hz display, which brings you smooth and fast gaming visual. I know it's quite hard to decide from all three laptops with such powerful performance. The Outlook might clear your mind. They all have different outlooks. Let's start with the Pulse AI series. It has a low-key but elegant core black cover side, an electromagnetic pulse pattern keyboard side that represents the Pulse series, and the exact Pulse characters on the touchpad as a finishing touch. Next, the Crosshair HX series, an iconic, colorful MSI Dragon logo on the cover side, will immediately catch your eyeballs, with a futuristic spacecraft pattern on both the cover and keyboard sides. It is just beyond stylish. Last but not least, the Sword series uses dual-tone Cosmos Gray on each side, giving it a fresh and noble look. It is also ready to fight with you. After viewing the whole picture and details, let's dig more into other awesome features and functions. Remember to plug in the power adapter before you first turn on the laptop so you can disengage shipping mode. The reason for its design is to prevent laptops from being turned on during transportation. When turning on and while using your laptop, you might notice the LED color on the power button will switch between white or orange sometimes. No worries. This is also a special design from MSI. When the LED light is white, it means that the laptop is using the integrated GPU, whereas orange is when it's using a discrete GPU. The three come with complete I/O ports, so let's show you each side of them. On the right side, it comes with a USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A, an audio combo jack, and a Kensington lock. On the other side, we have a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type C that supports up to 100 watt PD 3.0 charging, and a USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A. The rear has a USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A and HDMI 2.1 port that supports up to 8K resolution 60 Hz, an RJ45 port that provides a stable connection, and a DC in port. They all have a camera shutter that protects your privacy. As previously mentioned, this series is all equipped with a 240Hz QHD+ IPS level display covering 100% DCI P3 color gamut. It is quite astonishing to be equipped with such a high-end display in such level laptops. Why is that? They provide high solutions on both resolution and refresh rate, achieving an incredible balance on a display. Simply enjoy the vivid and smooth visual without sacrificing either important features of a display. Let's slightly move down. The keyboard is something we must share with you. The MSI introduces you first in the industry a 24-zone RGB keyboard. Provides customizable color and effect through MSI Center, Mystic Light. The semi-transparent WASD arrow keys and power key and spacebar bring you a stylish touch and better visibility while gaming. How do we customize the keyboard lighting? By entering the Mystic Light tab in the MSI Center. You can find that there are many options for you to manage and control. First, you can select the mode you like. Second, customize the lighting you would like to display. Third, control more details, the light speed and direction to fit your preference. Or, if you're not satisfied with the previous preload settings, we also offer fully customizable options in the Customize mode. You can manage all 24 zones and make them light in different modes, speeds, and wavelengths. Enjoy the aesthetics of the lighting. Besides the lighting, F1 to F12 hotkeys on the top of the keyboard are common functions you normally use. By default, you can click F1 to F12 and activate each function. But if you like to access the printed hotkey, for example, turning off the microphone, you'll have to use the function key plus F5 to do so. But if you think that pressing two keys is too annoying, there's a way to make it simpler. Let me show you that by holding the function key and escape key. The default function will be toggled between each other. You can identify it if it is activated by checking the escape key LED lighting. Talking about the function key, there are some useful tips. You can switch the functions between the Windows key and the function key by reducing the chance of accidentally pressing the Windows key and switching off your game. You can simply switch their function in the MSI Center by entering the General Settings tab, click Switch Key, and the functions of both keys will be swapped immediately. Sometimes in gaming or heavy workloads, you might want to increase the airflow to improve fan speed, which leads to better performance. This is when the Cooler Boost hotkey becomes convenient. By pressing the function plus up arrow key, the fan speeds will increase instantly, and pressing the combination again to return to normal fan speed. Imagine having your crosshair in shooting games. By pressing the function and down arrow key, the crosshair will appear immediately in the middle of the screen. You can also customize the crosshair in the MSI Center, General Settings to ideal colors and positions. Now, let's talk about the inner beauty. Cooling ability is extremely important because it will directly affect your performance. The three-man squad is equipped with the new elevated Cooler Boost 5 cooling design. The two more exhausts on the rear covers, featuring a total of 6 exhausts and 2 intake ports, allow multi-directional outlet of airflows for more efficient cooling and ensure maximum performance under extreme gaming. Enjoy high performance with revolutionary cooling. You can also customize the fan speed to fit your user's scenario in the MSI Center. Click the Extreme Performance setting within the User Scenario tab and select Fan Speed on the right. You may adjust the settings accordingly. You won't always use your laptop for gaming. You might use it to complete other tasks or simply want to extend its use time. That is why we designed the User Scenario tab in the MSI Center for you to switch the mode according to different scenarios. Select Extreme Performance Mode for the best performance under gaming or heavy duties, or Super Battery Mode for the longest possible battery life. You can also press the F7 hotkey to switch it immediately and more intuitively. There's also another tip to increase your performance. By default, the 3 is running in NVIDIA Optimus mode, which automatically switches between integrated graphics and discrete graphics depending on the task. However, the discrete graphics need to go through integrated graphics in Optimus mode, which might lead to performance loss. By switching to MSI's discrete graphics mode, the GPU can feed the signal directly to the monitor, therefore may increase the performance. You can also switch to integrated graphics mode to acquire the longest battery life. You can adjust the settings in the MSI Center, either switch at the bottom of the User Scenario tab or in the General Settings tab. By switching to a different mode, the system will need to reboot. The squad also presents you the very on-trend AI solutions. The MSI AI Artist and AI Engine on all 3 laptops. Please be aware that MSI AI Artist requires GeForce RTX 40 series graphics and needs to be downloaded on the MSI AI Artist official website. You could generate images directly on your 3-man squad with MSI AI Artist. Create rich images with shorter prompts and generate words within images. Create and inspire at a whole new level. Furthermore, with MSI AI Engine on all 3 laptops, it can detect user scenarios and automatically adjust hardware settings to achieve the best performance. You get to focus on the important things like gaming, entertainment, creating, and working. If you want to know more about MSI AI Artist or AI Engine, please check out other videos on our channel for more detailed introductions. Let's show you how some of the previous techniques can be applied when you're gaming. We're going to play a well-known shooting game. Change your user scenario to extreme performance mode by pressing the F7 hotkey. Now turn on the cooler boost function to increase the fan speed to lower the temperature for a better experience. No matter what gun you wish to choose, just turn on the crosshair to become the top shooter in all kinds of scenes. Hope you enjoyed the video today and learned something new from the 3-man squad. Most of all, do enjoy gaming and apply the useful tips by yourself on all 3 laptops. We love to hear your feedback from every one of you. And that's a wrap for today. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.